Me there and I easy. And I say, boy, I realize what enough people problem when them go overseas. See? Enough people don't want to adjust when them go overseas. See? I mean, I got 3 reasons we don't know and to tell me if I lie or I'm wicked or I have a little sense. Now, enough man and woman get an opportunity and them reach in a foreign country. See? And when them get the opportunity, it's like it comes so easy to them because guess what? They didn't pay for the filing. They didn't pay for their plane ticket. Them didn't pay for the clothes that them wear upon them back. Them didn't pay for nothing at all. Them just know say money come, them do them ear for the woman. Man does know him get a new pair of sneakers, cause all them do, go do the medical. See? Do the medical and pass the medical. Because the greatest thing is when you hear say the appointment date is there and you go do the medical and you get through. See? Listen to me now. You're reaching a foreign country now. Foreign country. Because it can be America, England, Canada. It can be Europe. Anywhere. Most of us, some of us will get filed for, never used to work. We never used to get up in an early morning and go do a 9 to 5. Lisa sexy, what go on? See? And when you reach in any foreign country, you have to adapt. If you have to give yourself, some people adapt right away. Because a man will constantly at work, him don't want to go nowhere, go sit down. Because him leave him job to go to a foreign. So he want to find himself back in a position to start be an earner. Because he's not used to people that take care of him. A man who has never worked before used to people that give him things. See? Him used to, him woman that send all kind of things come. She used to her man that send all kind of things come. That's why you hear some people of this saying or say, oh, me not have to work. My other half take care of me. Oh, the man hold down the house. And the man say, oh, my woman do this to me and ray. See? So, what me I say now is, anybody where you know, anybody on this one know, where in the process of getting filed for, have the mentality to go better yourself. There's no way you can do a Jamaica and feel like you did better off at Jamaica. And when you reach a foreign, you say, Star, I better make this tea on my yard because me never know so I saw it rough and me never know so I saw it that hard. You know why people say that? You know why people say that? Because the woman where you deal with, where you say a nurse, you as the man, the woman where you deal with as the nurse, your nurse, I work 36 hours, 48 hours, 62 hours. She just work, go west. She come home for a few hours and lay down a little bit and go back and work again. You did there Jamaica and true, you say, babes, you know, say, I want this, you say, barrel come. Right? Barrel come. Suitcase come. Anybody where come down. Hold on, no? And a Queenie me I talk about, you know. Mel. And a Queenie me I talk about, you know. So, this not nothing to do with Queenie yet. I soon touch over this. So. This not nothing to do with Queenie. See? This not nothing to do with Queenie. This is just a general statement for what if people when me say I go through that something and when them file for somebody. See? This not nothing to do with Queenie. This is not Queenie. This not nothing to do with Queenie. This is a general conversation. See? So, when some of them people reach a foreign, them look and them say, foreign hard. Because you know why them are going to say foreign hard? Because them buck up on the real foreign now. Now them have to go buy them one things. Because what's this? When you reach anywhere at all, you know, you're fresh. Them are going to carry you go shopping. Them are going to carry you go say, this is the Eiffel Tower. This is Times Square. This is downtown Yonge Street in Canada. You know, and the whole of the nice something them. But after the honeymoon stage done now, you have your social. When you get your social now, a time now for you to find yourself a job. Now, most of you people who go a foreign, enough people start working in a restaurant by washing plate. Seeing? Washing plate. While you hear some man say, oh, you think me I go foreign go wash no plate? You think nobody will come see me I wash no plate? This is where you go wrong. You not worry about what people think too much, and anytime you live for what people have to say, anytime you listen to what people have to say, that's how you mash up in a life. Because remember, you're gone in a country now when nobody gives you a tomato. You will say Jamaica easier, you know, because you can beg Merkel a tomato. You can beg Miss Gwen piece of scallion. You can beg little meat seasoning over any yard. But when you're there foreign, a buzzer. Remember when you go somewhere and press the buzzer, when you press your buzzer, if them not open it, you're not going in. You're not going in. So enough people not adjust to that yet, because guess what? Arse and staple door them have one piece of board we catch up on one something and them say them house. You understand? Because you know where I come from. Everybody I come from somewhere and everybody come grow up in a previous grill. Somewhere we are bored. You understand? One little arse and stable whereby one little piece of lock and say, lock my door. And anybody can just go and use them and lick off the door. You understand? So we move. Remember say, you know, changes in life, you know. A changes in life we reach, you know. So we move from arse and staple board house and gone in a nice structure, buzzing, elevator we are go up on the 13th and the 15th floor. You understand? And that's how we're going to now. So the adjust what you have to do now, you have to stop and sit down and you're looking at yourself and say, listen me have an aim. Because enough of you go foreign and don't have no aim. One aim somehow have and forget rich quick. And that's how I want to see people things and teach people things and want to get deported back, right back at which part when they go to jail. Because when your eye red, when your eye shine. When your eye too shine for people things, you got teach because you got say foreign hard. When you go somewhere and see all your paycheck and you see how much hunger some take out of it. You see how much tax you got say, then there's so much money them take out of my pay. Star, you better go back to Jamaica. You never did a work at Jamaica. You did a work even a cash in and a work at Jamaica. A cash in and work you did a do, you know. So, you know want to adjust. See? Adjust, you have to adjust. Seize the opportunity and the moment to build yourself. And then again, if you are a woman there foreign, you have to come together and make one. You have to help her now because she help you come in America, help you come in the States, help you come in Canada, help you come in anywhere. She alone been a do it for herself. It's a reason why she bring you up. She bring you up for you and her joining together. You are come from a pit toilet. Right? Where you don't worry about flushing toilet. Now you're gone in one place where you have to pay the water. You come from a place where you used to touch up the light on one piece of something. And 900 of one upon it, your TV can't be show good. You have, if you don't mind job, your TV get lick. Who know, who feels it, knows it. So when you go to the and come from this, you're supposed to say, JPS, I forgot know me now, you know. Because I change the environment, I do this, I do that, I want better for my kids, I want better for this, I want. Enough people, everybody knows say, when you go foreign, foreign is not a bed of rose. Foreign is never a bed of rose. You don't have coal stove in foreign. Nobody have coal stove in their house. Because once you go to and the smoke start, the smoke alarm will go off because that's in everybody's house. Automatically. Right? The smoke alarm is going to go off so you cannot have no smoke in the house. So all of them things that you have to adjust to. When the time I get chilly, you have your light jacket. When the time I get cold, you have your winter jacket. When it freeze, you have your scarf and gloves. You understand? Your immune system have it good when it touch winter. Because you can't say, you're not going to work, you know, when rain fall in Jamaica, we say, yo, rain fall on the road block, you know, we can't go out there. That not happening in no farm of where foreign. Them have water boot, Timberland boot, every type of snow boot. You understand? Then now you have to start talk about your credit. You have to keep your credit on a level. Because if you don't pay your phone bill on time, a bad credit that. If you don't pay your bills them pan time a bad credit, that's so you keep your credit score pan a level. Enough people don't understand this. So enough for the people them we have sent for people, when uno go through the system and know the system work, uno have to teach them. Uno have to teach them. Uno have to sit down and teach them and make them understand. See? Uno have to sit down with them and reason them and say, listen me. Don't bad them up, you know, because some of we have ego. And you say we ego, mash we up enough time. Me know enough woman where send for man, and when them send for man, through them know say the man used to fuck pan them at Jamaica and go on with him thing. As the man reach, I say, you think you can go on like when you're there at Jamaica? You think you can do this? And you threaten the man with police, or you threaten him and say this, and yo, lock him up in a house. And once you start treat him like a boy, he might go find way to take away himself. So you again have to understand, don't bring him go on with a Jamaica in a foreign. You have to remember, saying they are different country now. Him can't just get up and go wonder way like when he used to go down a Rima, and him used to go to Tivoli, and him used to left and gone and St. Mary, and him left and gone to Balaclava, and he say, Ray, and him say, remember me, I'm a big man. You have to always remember, if you're there with a man, don't forget say him is a man. Don't ever forget say you're there with a man. You don't there with your son. Don't ever treat your man like your son. Treat your man like a man. Because everybody have a breaking point. Alright. Me hear somebody say something about Queenie, see? I touch on the Queenie topic here. Little bit. See? I touch on the Queenie topic here. Little bit. Listen me good. Queenie love Dowey. See? Queenie love Dowey. Queenie clingy. Because Queenie never in a relationship for how long. See? Queenie not in a relationship for how long. Now Queenie asleep in her bed by herself. How long? Now this boy a come to England now. Queenie I got one there everywhere. Him want go someplace by himself because when him there at Jamaica him say, yo, crazy, me soon come. See? And she say, alright. Later she gone run her friend run on the road. Right, and him gonna go do film thing. Now them they together in a one household. Once him missing for too long, she gonna say, how we do it there? When my husband there? My husband, when me they can't remember now, you know, she gets so attached to him now, you know. That's every move when make, she come like a she him skin. But him no used to that yet. Him no used to that yet, you know. So that is a big problem in the relationship now, you know. Because him want him space. If him in the toilet or shit, Queenie want in the toilet or shit. At first, him like it, but him realize say, him not have no space. Him just feel like him might get covered. Him just feel like he might get covered because remember, you know, when time she there, you know, I remember say, Queenie are going to make we know. Joe Plum, my Joe Plum, and via video and everything and she and him. He might eat piece of bula. Come Joe Plum eat piece, but sometimes he might eat a bula by himself. See in scatter? Sometimes he might eat a bula by himself. But Queenie no know how to leave him alone now, you know. Queen no know how to give him space now, you know. And that's why she eat a bad arse now, you know. Because guess what? Him and her in the same country now. And she not see him 2 days now. And Queenie are mad. See? 2 days now, Queenie not see him, you know. And Queenie are mad. Because them in the same country, him having closed them in the same house. Remember say, she would have done her mother, even when them vex, and him would have up a female. Now him there in a fear waters. See? So, may I listen to Queenie live, you know? See? May I listen to Queenie live. And Queenie says she not done. But Queenie, you know, say I love you everything. Because he's a woman where I see a journey and I see a transition. And enough thing you stop though. And you try to clean up your thing and make your thing look good. So, enough time you try to use your pass beat. You try to step out of the part there. You understand? But, me have to tell you this. Do we want him space more time? See? Do we want him space? You don't want to give him no space or you don't think him need space because you say him in the house and 8 or 9, you know why him not say nothing to you and you get upset and want to worry him. Because you want him to talk to you. But you have to give him space. You give him time when him ready to talk, him have a talk. And you not give him no chance for just relax and then come say, listen me queen. Me not like this, me not like that, me not like Cray. Because guess what? Me say, when you get things your way, a war. And you talk it, you know, me can't say. If you not say, you talk it. See? That when I go to Bama look by the life today, I'm going to say, Bama, I say, Marky, I try to explain to you. I see you start get aggressive. And me I say, me, I go up and Queenie life, you know. Because Queenie go cuss me. And I can't do no cussing. See? I not go take no cussing, so I go just listen and come off. See? Because sometimes people need them space. Man need them space, woman need them space. And that's why I say the rich people, them have the vex room. And them going to the vex room. See? So, Dowey is a man where people are talking about the man a user. I don't think the man a user. You scatter say that I think our personality too strong to live with 24/7. And that is right because all the Queen work, you know, remember, everybody know. Everybody knows say the Queen. Somebody said a husband don't go running. But you have to remember, him have to train to be a husband. Remember everything this is something well new, you know. Him have to train to be a husband. Regardless of how you and a man married, you have to remember say the man need him space. See? And then one of the biggest issue where Queenie have, when me hear Queenie have. Queenie say me involve in mother in everything. That's one of the biggest war where Queenie now gonna get over. Because if you have to force him to choose, if you have to force him to choose, him now gonna choose you. Wife or no wife. Remember this, you know, I said it's enough time. A whole heap of people ready for our wedding, but it's not everybody prepared for a marriage. Anybody can have the big splash wedding, but the marriage is a serious thing. I want to think about that. You hear me say? I want to think about that. The wedding, anybody can do the wedding, but not everybody can do the marriage. The marriage come with whole heap of responsibilities. You understand? It come with a whole heap. Zane, and I can tell you this. I no business with them relationship, but and every man gonna live down that walk there. She said him lick her and she lick him. It's like a eye canteen or something. And we never know this until war broke out. We never know this until war broke out. We never know this until war broke out. But every man can live down that walk there. And all of the women with them will laugh and say she should have do this. Just because she make him come to England. Just because. Because right now, it's like a half and half a guan. A whole heap of people sympathize with Dewey because of the cocoa. Because now the things them what she say, she a force him to talk and him no want to talk. And him say him want to go about him visit and she block the door and him no want to come out. And then him call him mother and him mother send taxi. And him mother is like, it won't sound like say Dewey is a boy when Dewey is a big man. See? So basically what them say Queenie controlling. See? So it's like Queenie have to just do some soul searching. And when she do some soul searching, she have to understand. Yes, she love her, she love hard. And she love things her way. Him have to love her in a some way. See? I remember again Mel's. If him never want him mother involved, him only involve him mother. So when you now cuss, and I say him mother too involved, remember him want him mother involved. You understand? And how long now do he come up? How long now him come up? And a long time him reach. Him not settling in England yet. Him still homesick. Him still a miss him yard. Him still a miss this corner vibes on that tree. Him still a not on that tree in there England. Scatter say she may love him, but I think she still needs to understand that Positive behavior does not keep a man. Possessive behavior don't keep a man. Alright. Want to hear that again. Because all I know, I got cuss and I say the man ungrateful. Remember, me not take no side. Me just a watch and I say, when me see, I don't want to feel like say, me a pick no side because me can't pick side with man and woman. See? Because all we are here say the baby mother said this and the baby mother said that. Remember, say, if him, I'm want to listen to this good. Just listen to that part of what me I going to say right now. You see that story there where the baby mother say him can't see him youth? Remember, say, if the baby mother want the youth go to England, the baby mother will send the youth to England. Right? And if him go to Obama and him can't maintain the child, him now can't get the picnic if him carry a court. Because remember, say, all the law work now, you can file for anything now. See? So, that baby is something where we must say, boy, the baby mother said this and that. The youth are grow. And I just said that one thing that boy, them a hold on pan. Him just use that to get away. Him want some space. See? Him want some space. Somebody said denial is a mental disorder. She have to let him get a job as he came in the country. And that's where she went wrong. He needs to be independent. That is the next thing again. That is the next thing again. That is the next thing again. All of the man them, I'm going to tell you now again. Anytime you go in any country at all, you have to prepare to put on your foot real quick. And when I say put on your foot, you have to get a job. That means you have an income. See? I saw a man be a man. Because most youth where they are Jamaica used to a woman and mind them, you know. Take care of them, send them clothes and belt, you know. All kind of things, you know. See? And no marriage not perfect. No marriage not perfect. Him want to do him own thing. So when I sit down and have hear them. So the man not forget no space. So when you expect a man to get space, you know what woman want there around the man 24/7. You have to give the man him space. You have to give the man him space. You have to give the man him space. Give the man him space. And that's why someone not found a man here to you know. No man at all. No care how him love him woman. No care how him love him woman. He want him space. So when him go drink with him friends. When him go watch football. Are you and him want to go watch football? Want to stop playing hypocrite and behave for yourself, man. Stop it, man. Want to stop it, man. I don't like that style I want to come with, man. Woman need her space. So what you say? When you not go hairdresser shop, the man feature up in the hairdresser shop too. The man feature up in the hairdresser shop. You know what somehow, that's why sometimes I leave people business alone and I come and come talk about it, you know. Because I don't get me upset. I come talk about when man needs space. What you mean? What you mean? When you go here to the shop and I go do your nails, the man for the side of you watch you do your nails? So no insecure, that's no why he chop back at the man body wall every time. I insecurity that you know. You and the man live together. And he must see you every minute in his eyesight. When I feel time. Yes, Scatter say with the perfect thing. That's why a man spend enough time in a bathroom and shit. I want him not shit. Because in the bathroom becomes him sanctuary. In the so becomes I just saw him peace. Woman need her space. That no means that she go give her the front. Wanna stop it, man. Cause you talk that's something and all you just want to do is beat the man. I just beat you don't want to beat the man. Cool, man. Give the man a little space, man. And that's the thing. Enough of you live in a denial, you know. Enough of you live in a denial. Because you're so insecure. Let me tell you, I realize this somehow, woman. When you're there with a man, the man hurt you know. And through the man hurt you know. You love another man, but you don't have that hurt. They still a carry with you know. And I say, a boy they get 2 car out of me, you know. And me have to watch that when I kill you. You think you might just come get up and left me so? Nobody can keep nobody. Because if you get up on this side, say you're going to left the man, you're going to left. I don't care when beg and plead to you and I say, baby, give me another chance. Baby, ray this. You're going to left. And enough things, and I see him where so some man do too. You can't hold on for certain things. And I come talk about you, the man that do me this, or the woman that do me that. You don't have to stop that something there, man. Everybody knows that communication make every relationship work. But you have to know your partner. You have to know your partner. And remember, say you have to change up enough things to suit your partner. Them never have to change your whole life. You change up some things. You used to cuss over everything. Now you have to calm down. You don't cuss over everything. Certain things, they just make soft fans and turn it away. You used to smoke 30 pack of cigarette. You start smoke 15. So you cut off. We are 15 and left 15. So you have to change up certain things. Remember, you know, you have to change little bit. Don't change fully. Because nobody can change that. You have to change. The person who want you to change, like your thing say, alright, just listen to this again. Perfect example. Anytime nobody hurt Queenie feelings, what she do? Take it to the ground. You think say, do we ever want to live with that every minute? Remember, you know, when you're not there with the person, you know, you watch them do everything, you know. You watch them do everything, but when you go get involved with them now, and every day you come home and you hear say, you're woman, and people in a cuss. You think say no man wanna come from work and every time him go some man look on him phone, people are tagging him, I think people are calling him. You can't talk to your woman. You can't talk to your woman. You can't talk to your woman. You think them something nice? You think say them something nice? No care how mix up a man is. Him no want feel woman in a mix up. No care how careless a man is. Him no want feel woman careless. No real man no want that. No real man no love the excitement. You will tolerate it a little bit, but you don't want to deal with it every day. So when you sit down and make it look like say nobody perfect. Nobody not perfect. Nobody not perfect. Nobody not perfect. Remember everybody say them no want a soft man. But remember the same soft man have an angry side. The man have an angry side. Remember, you know, the two of them have things to work on. Me and no psychologist, me and no counselor, me and none of them something there. But it is obvious. The two of them have two different personalities. And when two different personalities clash, it can cause fuckery. And see it cause fuckery, they know. Alright. Him no want to talk to her. He might remain silent. And then when somebody call him, yo, me done, wagwan. Then him no still have to act like a man. Him still have to be a man because him friend them call him, yo, me done, wagwan. And then he go war because him say, yo, me done, because he say, oh, you don't want to talk to me. And you want to talk to your friend. You want to talk to your friend them. You're dead. Lick him with a cup in his face. Lick him with a glass. So when you go sabam now, because remember this, you know, him bear whole heap. Queenie have to always feel like say boy she have to defend him. Him can defend himself, you know. Him can defend himself. And all me I tell you say, uno with shame. Don't tell her say she should have left him. Don't tell her because uno obviously see it say she a ball over him. She listen and break my heart. She listen water from the moon. She listen everything because she's in love. No found ever been in love yet. No found ever experienced love yet. No found no pitney, only not even love on no pitney. Only no love on no one pitney. Only no love on no mother. Only no love on no father. Only no love on no sister. Only never love on no self. So only no know that feeling that when somebody loves somebody. Only never get a feeling now on the chest yet when time only hear somebody name. Only never go through that yet. You understand? Here a person say you don't know the whole story. Remember say, I watch. I watch. Me not live in them house. Me not put in the side. Me just say, a man need him space. You understand? Remember say when she and her Joe Plum go sub man join in back and make up back, the whole away, I go stay Ray. And Ray. And we ever say Ray. Remember we see worse than this? Remember, she cuss them, cuss the way she cuss, you know. Me know where me can take, you know. Me now go make no woman just come class up Sanja, me I write it that, you know, from me this Sanja, this is it, you know. From me this Missy and Puffy, this is it, you know. Remember, so me do my something, you know. Me no deal with that excitement, and nobody come liberty me up and scandal me up, you know. And this up my mother, you know. Me not do that, you know. So, everybody different. All me I say, all I know, because most the woman follow me. I mean, no enough of you, some of you dropping a love already, some of you buck on the tour, some of you have gas on have. You understand? All me I tell you now, before you sit down and judge Queenie life, make sure say, the man where you there with, make sure say him adore you, make sure it's all about you, make sure say him 10 times better than Dowey, and him are the perfect man for you. All when are the people them husband and you not get no sleepover. Only time the man a go dance, and them time the and the man go out. Try remember say make sure say before you judge the people them life, make sure say your life perfect, you know. Make sure say the pitney where you have him father come round and in a different country you have to go to play with your pitney. Make sure, you know. Make sure. Because some of your life so perfect. And when I know no baby father living in the same state and him can't pick up the pitney from school. Because you don't know say him not sleep out for him other children them. Make sure, you know. Because your life so perfect. Your life so nice and alright. And I can't that the man have to fly go for the park with no pitney, you know. And the park they're right in New York, you know. The part they are Queens and the part they are Brooklyn, you know. And the part they are Bronx, you know. Make sure, you know. Because you're not ready for crucify Dowey, you know. And you're ready for kill Queenie, you know. Make sure so your life good, you know. Because to the way how your life nice. Oh, me not do this. Now make some of them girls chicken in the comment. Me I tell you, me know enough of them. Enough of them girls when me see a Queenie comment and I talk about, oh Queenie, left dirty boy, oh me not do this and me not do that. Me don't never give boy this. Only not even have blood clot credit on the phone. And people Wi-Fi on the pan. Move on the blood clot and go. Me see enough of hard phone, you know. Enough of me see hard phone, you know. Not even credit on the phone. On the gas done and enough for wait all 1 month for buy back on the blood clot gas. I want to ready comment and a this up blood clot do it. And then a Queenie life I want to go on. I want to life still. I want to life come like some gingerbread. You feel like something soon, no? And I go on like on the life, well, alright, I want to this, I want to that. I want to cry a blood clot night time. Somehow in an abusive relationship. And I talk about, oh, if the man no beat you, no, you don't feel good. I want to there jump up and I go on. And I feel like me I look. Me I look. Me I look. Don't make enough of them girls check on the people. Me I tell you no. Enough of them are 5 man them send for already. 5 man. Them send for 5 man already. And I know none of the man them can come. Because 4 of the man them have criminal record. And 1 man I know if him filing can't come through because him smoke too much. Him can't pass the test. Him can't pass the medical. You hear me say? Blood clot. The amount of money you want to spend on divorce to bring man a foreign. More than for the immigration. Move on the blood clot. You can't check me, you know. You can't check me. If you don't have nothing good for say, don't say nothing. Don't say nothing if you don't have nothing good for say. And leave people life. Because all you do. Remember say when I mix up, you know. Anytime you come and talk about Jesus and God. And everything. You know, you none of them something there. If you say, yo, you know, say me have a work I give out. Oh, me not do them work there. Me not do them work there. Oh, nobody can see me I do them work there. And them same one, I link platinum. And I tell platinum, say, well, you know, nobody I come down. Me like that top the way wear what day. Me know you not wear it again. You can't send it, come give me. On no beg all clothes, no blood clot. On no beg all clothes. On no walk and beg the girl them clothes. Me did married, me divorced. The people in a Queenie comment, but the boy ungrateful. Queenie, you should have chopped him up. You should have this. And when the woman gone to prison, you see him when I said, no, Queenie, you could have do it. You're too ignorant, man. You're too ignorant, Queenie, man. Queenie, you're too ignorant. Queenie, you're too ignorant, Queenie. Queenie, you should have chopped him up. You should have bust up the whole I made. And I tell the woman to bust up the man head. Somehow you can't send for nobody at all. Or you reach a foreign, you can't send for nobody. Or you reach a foreign, you can't send for nobody at all. So leave it alone. Leave it alone. You not jump up. But who me that never send for a boy? Or you send for a boy when you don't have no birth paper? Or you reach a foreign in a somebody name. Right now you send somebody who go out a birth paper place to get a birth paper for you. You don't know your birth paper there. You reach a foreign in a somebody name and I come talk about you don't never send for your boy. You can't send for nobody? You can't send for nobody? Where you send for them? Eh? If you go to airport, right blood clot now, they're strange to you. Oh, they're strange to you to the way you don't know out of none of the airport them stay. Move your blood clot and go. You can't send for nobody. Go sort out yourself and fix up your life. Boy, you're not sent for no boy. You're not sent from Jamaica, man. The man grateful. And the man grateful. And the man grateful. Police running our dance. And when police running our dance, they don't even have a social. When police are say illegal immigrants to the left and legal immigrants to the right. You have to ask people why them social. You have to try beg people social and borrow people social. Move your blood clot. You think you can trick with? You can't trick with? You depend on Queenie life and I try beat Queenie and I talk about Queenie for low young boy alone. You can't tell nobody low young boy. You can't tell nobody to leave young boy. And young boy crosses and this and that. And with the woman hold and she grey front woman and attack all kind of things. You will leave the old man alone. You will leave the old man alone. You tell the woman leave her young boy. You leave your old man. The man married 30 years now and now left him wife. You left him. You are left your old man. Me know you not left him because it's sweet yo. Your blood clot yo. It's sweet yo. You not left your old man. You think your name upon the man will, it that upon the man will. So you better go and take where you can get and bill yourself. Your blood clot. Me know no found no Bex. Or no Bex. You see what me I tell you now on the state?